How to lock iPhone gallery with Face ID. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can lock your iPhone gallery with Face ID. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that you'll actually need to take is update your iPhone to the latest software. So head over to your settings, and on your settings you'll find general. So after you find general, open it up, and there you will see software update option. Tap on software update, and there if you find a software update available, tap on the update button to update it. And after you do that, you can then head back and now search for your gallery. After you find it, long press on it, and after you long press on it, there you'll see an option that says require Face ID. Select it. Now tap on require Face ID again. After you do that, it will just take your Face ID, and then you're basically good to go. Now whenever you open up your photos, it will ask you for your Face ID. Since I just did that, it's not asking me, but that's the basic gist of it, and that's how you lock iPhone gallery with Face ID. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to App Hacks and stay tuned for more.